Did you know hidden deep within the mountains of northern Xinjiang are 3 lost villages of the nomadic Tuva people? Join us as we explore north of the Altai prefecture in search of the lost ancient village of Hemu. In the Altai Mountains, there are only 3 remaining habitats of the Tuva people, who live a traditional nomadic lifestyle in the peaceful mountains. Whilst driving to the largest settlement of Hemu, we pass through Bai Haba, the smallest of the 3 villages. The people here spend their time tending to cattle and hunting. The Tuva people are said to be descendants of warriors who followed Genghis Khan and have preserved their rare Tuva language and traditions.
Rickety little wooden floor up the side of the mountain. It's very creaky and I'm so worried my foot's going to go through it, but it gives us a good view, so definitely worth it. What do you think, Mew? We are in Hemu, which is a traditional village in northern Xinjiang. It was quite a trek to get here. You have to drive far into the mountains and then get about an hour's shuttle bus from there. But we made it and it's absolutely beautiful.
Many of the traditional houses here are made of logs from the surrounding birch forests and are built half into the ground to keep the Tuva people warm in winter, where temperatures can drop below -30 degrees Celsius. They also have east-facing doors, as they believe east is auspicious as it welcomes the rising sun. In the village we spoke to some locals, however I didn't film these personal interactions as I feel it's quite rude and many people don't wish to be filmed.
We are on the back of a scooter, just going for a little ride around Hemu village.
There's so many times before, I'll never wanna be away, leave you again. You are all I want and more. It's true.
Behind Hemu village is the crystal clear Hemu River, formed by snowmelt from the nearby Yoyi mountain, which can be crossed by the 100-year-old wooden bridge. After visiting the river, we drove back to the village to find a cafe.
Can we stay here for a week or so? Just watch the corn grow in the fields. I don't know what's on your mind, but I know that it's something about you and me. I'll stay here for as long as I can, through the storms and through the calm. When you smile at me, I slowly begin to realize that you are the one.
If you plan on staying in the area, you should know that accommodation can be quite pricey. And since we planned to head to Kanas in the following day, we chose to stay in Jiadangyu, a popular restaurant between Hemu and Kanas. When we booked this, we booked it through trip.com and it was a new listing, so it had no reviews, but it was the only one within our budget. And then as we were traveling up to Xinjiang, we realized all of the reviews were really bad, like 1-star reviews. It was hard to get into, the staff weren't very helpful. However, the room is very nice, so fingers crossed it's all positive and we can give a good review. Let me show you our room. Hello, shower, and toilet. The toilet seat was warm, which was really nice. Jiadangyu has a grand bazaar where you can find food. However, Mu found us a local yurt which gave us a much more traditional Xinjiang meal. You can't tell how big it is. The town also has a surprisingly lively nightlife, but once the lights go out, you can see the entire galaxy across the sky. It is a very cold and icy morning, and my feet are frozen. You need like a credit card. Today we're heading further north near the Kazakhstan border to explore the incredible mountain lakes of Xinjiang. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss another episode. Until next time, bye bye!